Hi guys, welcome again to the channel. Today we're going to draw a turtle. I like turtles. Little cartoon turtles are fun to draw. You can add a little bit more detail, and once you color them in, they look pretty cool. So, get your paper out. I got my Sharpie and my pad of paper. I just ripped the sheet off for this video. And what I'm going to do is come up to where I have enough room to make this turtle, and I'm going to start his eyes. So, about over here, so I have enough room to make a big enough turtle. I'm gonna draw a C like this, and right at the end I'm gonna connect it, and I'm gonna make a C that way, right? Only at the top I'm gonna want them to connect, and then I'm just gonna bring them all the way down so they touch, and we're gonna put two eyes, two pupils, and over here two. Okay, right up about here I'm going to come down, make a point, see that point, and then in, and then another line right about there. I'm going to put a line there for a smile, and we're going to give him a little nostril right here. Okay, now at the back of his head, we'll follow this line up right about here. We're going to swing that down and stop. Right about here, we're going to follow a sweeping line that way. Okay. Now this one's going to come down, and it's going to swoop in a little like that. And right here at the top, this one's going to start curving just a little bit. But above that curve, make a little start right there. Okay, because we're going to bring his shell down. Like that. We're going to bring it over. And then we're going to go up just a little. Close it in, keep it going, come all the way back. You can make it wave a little bit for some movement. It'll make them look kind of more animated. And right in here where that neck connects up in here, we're going to fill that in. Okay, good. Now right here by his head, it's not really going to matter, you know, how much you do it, how big you want to make it. I like to make his shell a little bit higher than his head, so I'm going to come like up in here and then touch down. This part's going to have to come down over here and touch like so. Okay. Now on the top, if you want to make some designs, we're going to make a point, come across, make another point, and then touch there. Okay. From here, come over, come down, and then go over that way. Now, come underneath that line, come over, come down all the way down here and touch. Now go right on the other side of that line and come down, touching again. Okay, now go back to the top of that line. Come over, come down, and you can animate it a little bit, twist it a little, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. Alright, going to the side of this line, we're going to come follow that line like that. We're going to make another square, a square in the center here. Okay, over, down, and over. Make that square. So we're making squares in between. Alright, down here on the bottom, right there, follow that line. And then, but right here, we're going to go down like that. Then we're going to go up. Then we're going to come over. We're going to make our square right there. Now go to the outside of that line and come up. Now come over, make your line down. Come up and make a square there. That's more of a rectangle, I guess. Right in here we need a square. Okay. And then right in here we're going to need a square. And just by having those little lines there, it gets all these little designs in there, right in that shell. Now up at the top we can do a couple more by doing this. A line touching that point and a line touching that point. Now his shell looks pretty dynamic and it's got all kinds of little designs on it. Okay, we can even put one more little square right in here, or a circle. Alright, and it'll give him all kinds of neat little designs. Now all we need is feet, and we have a neat little turtle. Right here, just going to come down a little bit. We're going to move that over just about to there, and then bring another leg down. You don't want these legs too long. Okay, make this one a little bigger. And back here on this side, this one we're going to kind of just round a little, right? Bring it all the way down over here and then come up. And we have our turtle. And there you go. I can clean this up. You can color him. My marker tip there. Sometimes I mess up my marker tip and touch it to the paper too soon. But there you go. Now you can make him look more interesting by giving him eye bags. You could give him eyebrows if you want, even though they're not touching. Maybe a couple of spots on his body. Up to you, okay? Play with it. And enjoy it. And that's how we do a cartoon turtle. Okay, come back for the next video, and we'll try a new animal. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.